Read the story. Choose operations. Check the answer.
Welcome to the Amber Oak Grove. Autumn is a busy season here, and under the watchful eye of the wise math Sheba, Pip the chipmunk is hard at work gathering acorns. As we see in this sequence, woodland tasks rarely happen in one simple move. Notice how Pip scoops up a starting cluster of acorns, and then, in a completely separate move, adds another handful to the pile. Real gathering takes two distinct steps over time. To solve problems like these, we use a simple four-part sequence. Take the first step, take the second step, assign a letter to the unknown, and estimate to check it's close. Let's look at our first scenario. In this diagram, Pip fills 4 distinct cheek pouches, and each pouch holds exactly 6 acorns. We record this first step right on the stones. 4 times 6 equals 24. Next, Pip finds 5 additional loose acorns on the ground. We need to find the grand total of all the acorns, so we'll call that unknown amount the letter A. The equation grows to A equals 24 plus 5. The math follows the physical actions. Because the pouches are equal groups, we multiply first to find that initial subtotal of 24. Then, because the newly found acorns are loose extras, we add them to the subtotal. 24 plus 5 is 29. Our grand total, A, equals 29. The sequence of operations matters. You have to calculate the total from the equal groups first, before you can add the loose extras to the pile. Now consider a different situation. Here is a starting pile of 26 acorns, but Pip eats 2 of them right away. 26 minus 2 leaves 24. Pip must share the remaining acorns equally among 4 different burrows. Let's call the unknown amount in each burrow the letter B. We write this second step as B equals 24 divided by 4. Take a moment. Using those remaining 24 acorns, how many will go into each burrow? Dividing the 24 remaining acorns into 4 equal burrows means 6 acorns go into each, and so B equals 6. Again, the math requires 2 specific steps. We must remove the eaten acorns first before we can accurately divide the remainder into equal shares. Let's try one more. Pip gathers 38 acorns, then gathers 43 more, but 8 tumble into the stream and are lost. We will call the final amount she carries home the letter C. Before calculating the exact number, we estimate. Rounding the starting numbers to the nearest 10 gives a quick prediction. 38 rounds to 40, 43 rounds to 40, 8 is close to 10. 40 plus 40 minus 10 gives an estimate of about 70. Now we do the exact math. Step 1, we add the initial amounts Pip gathered. 38 plus 43 gives us a subtotal of 81. Step 2, we subtract the lost acorns. 81 minus 8 is 73. Our final amount, C, equals 73. Finally, we check. 73 is very close to our prediction of 70. This confirms our 2-step math is correct and reasonable. Look at the results in the grove today. Whether it was 29 acorns, 6 per burrow, or 73 carried home, the process was the same. Read the story, do the first step, do the second step, name the unknown amount with a letter, and always round your numbers to check that the final answer makes sense. Now it's your turn. Use what you've learned to solve the problem on screen, and I'll see you at the next bend.
2 steps, 1 plan. Equations tell stories. Check with the context.